Hey, if you want to remove foil from your screen of your Vivo smartphone, first of all, I can highly recommend you to start from one of the corner. So in this case, I'm gonna start from the right upper corner, and you don't need any additional accessories. You can just use your fingernails, and you have to just try to rise that foil by using your fingernail. But as you can see in this case, it's like really hard to actually take it off. So in this case, in this specific case, I'm gonna use this knife and try to gently rise like so, and don't scratch my screen. There we go. As you can see, it's much easier. And now we have to grab it just like this and just take it off. And now, as you can see, the process is finished and there's no any scratches on the screen. I'm just gonna clean that and just show you that everything is fine with my screen. There we go. So that's how we can do this. Thanks for watching. I hope you find it useful.